that, a snake? That's cool. That's a weird looking duck.
It's a wild duck.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna keep it brief because we gotta go. So today is my son's birthday and he's turning 4. So I decided to take off work and take him to the zoo, which we're about to go now. I can't really show the fit because again, we're about to leave in like a few minutes. So we're just getting everything gathered and then start heading out. It is a 11:29 in the morning, so we pretty much gonna be there all day. They close early, so I decided to like, all right, well, we gotta go early in the morning or something like that, so it won't be too hot, too cold, just right. And yeah, let's go. Say hi.
Hi.
You being shy now?
Yeah. Being shy is done.
Okay. Oh, it's the sun. I'm sorry. Let me shut the door down.
Hey, Mom.
Okay, so we're making a quick stop at the Dollar Tree because we have to get some snacks or whatever else, because where we're going, they gonna be charging us an arm and a leg just for a drink, and I don't got time for that. So apparently they sell books at the Dollar Tree. The Charmed Way. These look interesting. What is that? Dad, you're not ovulating.
It ain't for me.
Dad, I don't need.
Peace in my house.
No, I don't need no more.
I'm trying to find some peace in the house, man. I need to know.
Then you need to get another one for me too, just so you know when we start acting crazy.
I need one for me.
You need a drug test? Okay. Dad, you don't smoke.
I know. It's all these new drugs they keep giving.
Oh, it's the new drugs. Okay.
It's all the new stuff they keep giving me. Oh.
Finally trying to see if we can get to the snacks. Oh, here's some. Those are drinks. That's cold stuff.
Yeah, I know.
We ain't got nothing to put that in down.
Yeah, I know.
So at our Dollar Tree, by the house, there's this apple juice that I like, but they don't even sell it in here. That's how you know it's good. It be clearing out. Oh,
They don't do that.
wow.
What kind of dollar store is this? Oh, this is the $5 plus.
Oh, yeah.
They got good ice cream in here.
Ah,
What?
they got the Magnum too.
I'm gonna.
Good to see you.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey. Okay, I found one of these for him to wear. Yeah. Look.
Yeah. That's a surprise
Hey,
one.
look, say
Happy
thank you.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday, man.
Uh-oh.
That's really mommy.
Mm-hmm. Lift your head up.
Woof, woof.
There you go.
Woof, woof, woof. Woof.
Woof, woof.
Woof.
You happy about your dog?
Yeah, they have a dog.
Yeah.
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof.
Woof,
Woof, woof.
woof, woof. Excuse me.
What? Excuse me. Okay, so we are at the zoo.
Let's go to the zoo.
I have Cyrus here. Family's in the back. We're just waiting for them to catch up. Are at the Riverbank Zoo in Garden. So we just gotta wait for the family to come, and then we will get the tickets.
Look at mama.
Yay! Cyrus, Pup can only walk but so far. So fast. He like, I don't care. He's excited. Lord have mercy. Can she get it out the wrapper first? You just had one.
Wow.
Yes, it's a snack.
Yeah, that's a snack. It's a
Here, Cyrus. Watch out, baby. Come here.
Come over here.
I got one. Is he animals? I hear animals. I see
Yeah, flamingo. What's this, Cyrus? The monkeys?
That's queen.
Cheese. Yeah. You happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. Look at him. Look.
Yeah, I see.
He's in the pool.
In the pool.
Look at him. Look. Happy, mommy.
Oh.
What one to give?
Yeah.
Look at him, grandma.
Yeah, that's the grandma.
Yeah, it's a grandma about this.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, you want to show grandma the grandma on a pamphlet? You want to take your pictures? Here. Hold Pup up hand. Hold Pup up hand. Look, come here, baby.
Okay.
Come on. Stand right here. Look. Stand on the yellow dot, okay?
Can you wave?
Yay! Can you wave? Yeah! Say hi. Wait. Look, he like, I don't like all this attention. Look. Hey.
Point to your cheek like this.
Say cheese. Look. He is so funny.
Can you hit mom with your paper real quick?
Look. Can I?
I want the paper.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Cyrus.
You're holding something? You got this?
Go like this with your hands. Yay! Yay! All right, thank you.
Cards are gonna be yours.
Okay.
And here's your other photo card.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Yay! Yeah! Wow, look at that.
Okay. See, look. See?
Ooh.
Now you see it.
Okay, so I think the bear is sleeping or doing his business. I think he's asleep, Dad.
No, he was.
Oh,
I don't know what he's doing.
I don't know.
Look at the forest.
Ooh, look at the monkeys. Ooh.
He can't see it.
I know. Come on, let's go around.
See that? Right there.
See, it's not just on TV. They're real. Look, look, see the lady on the top? She's gonna feed them.
Yeah.
Davey, look.
Look at the. I think that's the girl.
Yeah, that is.
Look over there.
This is dire.
Yeah, that's tigers. That's a lion.
He says a tiger. I think everybody's ready to eat. That's why they circling around that area.
Yeah.
Where did this go? It's a tiger. There's a
Oh, you hear the birds? Oh,
one this way.
here. You see the bird?
Yeah.
Yeah, look. You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at the carousel. You excited, booby? Yeah, you excited? Yeah. You want Sabi to ride? Oh, okay. He gonna be up there. You want to get on one? You want to get on something, booby? You want to sit down? All right. He cool. Yes, we're gonna get out of here, okay? All right, and then we're gonna do the next ride. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna do the photo booth. Yeah. Okay, we got some cute ones. Okay, so they got the petting area. So we're gonna go see the farm animals and they get to pet them. You ready to pet some animals?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Animals. Did we go to this one?
Yeah. I think this one chilling though.
Look,
Yeah,
this is sleeping.
Yeah, it's sleeping.
Sleeping over there.
Look at the goat. Yay! Yeah. Be gentle. No.
Don't do that. Don't pull.
Don't pull, okay? Shh. Hey.
There you go.
Relax. Don't touch his face. Come back here. Cyrus, come back here. Come right here. Be behind Pup, okay? Don't touch his face. I don't want it to bite you. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, look at this one. Yeah, you want to pet the goat? Okay. Be careful, okay?
Wait.
Yay! Okay, be careful. It's a little dusty.
Yeah.
They so brave though. Good. So he was too scared to touch the goats, but he wanted to do this.
Well, he brave.
Right.
There you go.
Yeah. Look at Sabi. All right. Look, Sabi like, I'm gonna go up this way. I'm smart. I can't. Hey.
Right now,
Yeah.
wheat that we have harvested for this.
Yay.
Thank you for saving the farm. I don't understand. What is your problem? It's
Faster.
You want me to push
He said faster.
Whoa, wow. He said poop everywhere, mommy.
Hey, guys,
What's happening?
let me see the bird.
Oh.
Hey, look. Turn around. Look at the bird. Over there.
Chicken, Sabi. There's your chicken right there. You asked for a chicken, Sabi. There you go. Okay? You're welcome.
Chicken. I don't know what that is. What is
There's
it
your
called?
chicken.
It's a duck.
It's a duck?
Yeah, that's a duck.
It's a mallard.
That's a weird looking duck.
It's a wild duck.
Oh, it's a, oh, okay.
It's a water.
Yeah. Oh.
Look at the ostrich.
Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. It went away. Ooh. Look at that ostrich.
Let's see, Mommy. Let's see. Oh, I got it there, Mommy.
There. I'm showing your sister.
Down there.
I am showing your lawyer where you had us. I am showing her the proof.
Ooh.
The lawyer is a
There's a cookie. There's a cookie. There's a red.
Yes, just giraffe.
Cyrus.
He said, Cyrus poop. He said, that's giraffe. Yes, it's a giraffe.
Yeah, there's another baby.
And if that's a baby,
That's a baby giraffe.
that's too much.
Yeah, that's a baby on the bottom.
Babies. A big giraffe.
They have a feature that you can pet the giraffe, but I don't think they would do that.
No, he wouldn't do it.
I want to do it.
Here, mommy.
Okay.
Videos we go, you doing it, but
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, you see the giraffe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Would you pet the giraffe with mommy?
No, let me go this way.
he said no.
Come on, get down, get down.
Okay.
Listen, if you go up there, you can't be crying.
He gonna cry.
This one?
Okay, you want to try?
Cry.
Yes,
Ooh.
yes, I have a card.
You get to feed the giraffe.
I got you, all right? He's not gonna hurt you, okay? Say hi, Bruce.
Hi,
Say, Bruce, it's time to eat. Here,
Look,
Bruce.
you got to show it to him so he know you there.
He'll know. Here, Bruce. It's time to eat. Here.
Save it. Be careful. Oh, yes! Cyrus! Yay!
It's Savion.
Yeah, Save. You want to do it now?
You ready? You ready?
Savvy! Yay!
He's like, oh, my hand.
Yay! Hold on. You gotta wash your hands, okay?
Don't anything like that.
Okay, ready? Push.
Here. Look at the pop-up, man.
All right, now rub your hands together. I'm so proud of you, Cyrus. Yay! You did it. How you feeling? How you feeling? You liked it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Wait, stop. You see an orange? Look, you see an orange from there? I see an orange. Orange, mommy.
You will be more attractive like your counterpart here.
Let's go stay this thing. Let's go animals
we
stay
came
this
today because
thing.
we
Yeah.
the reunion was today. So all of your kind.
Kangaroo, booby.
Look, Savvy. Kangaroo.
Why they look like bunnies?
Everything looks like a bunny would. Look like a squirrel.
No, they look like squirrel little but you can go in there.
I know you can.
But I ain't going in there.
Why you tell me to?
Look at the kangaroos. I thought they was gonna have a big one, but I don't think so.
Oh, they got some big
They
ones.
got big ones. too.
Where?
Big one over there.
Oh, never mind. I spoke too soon.
Oh! Nasty, mommy.
Yeah, oh, it went away. It might come back. Oh, look! Come on, let's go inside and catch it. Okay, so we're gonna go inside and see some water creatures, see some sea lions. Ooh, you wanna go down here and see?
Here.
Come on, Save. Come on. Look, Booby. Look. Look, there's another one. Yeah. You want to see a snake?
Cyrus.
Cyrus. Calm down.
Come here. Hey, both of you. This is called a rattlesnake. See this?
Oh, hi, Snake.
Be careful. Listen. Hey, no. Snakes can bite you.
Oh.
See how big it is?
Yeah, come on, Snake.
There's another one.
No,
There's
you
one
don't
right
want him
there.
to come here. You want him to stay over there. He blue.
Oh.
There's the orange one over here.
Ooh.
So look at his colors. Here's another one right here.
Oh, look at that one, Cyrus. Look at you see the orange one.
Yeah, it's brown.
It's orange and blue. See right there, blue? See?
I see brown blue. Don't see the show.
Okay, these weren't up when we came last time.
Oh, look at that bird. Oh my goodness. Papa would love this. Oh, there's more. You want to see the fishies? Yeah. Uh-oh, be careful.
Look at the bigger snake.
These are saltwater fish.
See, it's a fish.
Yes, saltwater fish. These are beautiful. Beautiful.
Why are you scared, sweetie?
Come here, babe.
Sorry. Get on my nerves.
Look, it's a rainbow fish, Mommy.
Yeah, Mimo.
It's a Nemo fish.
Yeah.
Talk about Dory.
Whoa, oh, look, like I had the pins.
Oh, they got a shark in there.
They do? Where? Oh. Dad, I'm thinking it's a big, big shark. Like,
No, what you
Big
mean?
fish
Oh, there.
look at
Tracy.
that big
Lunch.
fish.
Lunch.
Yes, lunch.
Tracy, that's for the whole. That's for the whole family.
there. Look at the fish. See? Whoa! I see the fish up there.
Nemo.
There go Nemo. There go Nemo.
Yeah, maybe
It's called a clownfish.
You're living in a money.
Yeah. There it is.
that's a fish.
Savion. Savy, look. Look. Cyrus. Right there.
Nemo right there.
Oh.
Dad is. He seen Nemo. It's over.
I see the
Dang, Cyrus. Are they fighting? What's happening? In the back. Oh, the big fish. Yeah, I see. Look at that one. That's what they use as a
Yeah.
I see
That big is huge. Savion, come here, look. Come on, let's see.
Cyrus was just asking about that.
It's a seahorse. Right there.
Where
in
is
the
it?
corner.
Oh.
A blowfish?
Ain't the same. It looks like a horse.
Oh, is it pregnant?
I don't know, but it looks like a horse.
I see a fish.
Oh, there's two of them.
Yeah, two horse.
She just
Two?
here.
No, look, there's more.
Yeah, the babies are here.
But there's more, Dad. There's other ones that look pregnant. I don't know.
See, I see two horses.
Daddy, that is not a seahorse. No, they're not.
That's food.
Yeah.
Savion.
He right here.
Just look at this.
Wow!
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
What is? Oh, it's an octopus for real. Why you
It's over here with me. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful.
Look just like that. Look just like that. Okay, so you'll see me in a minute.
Jellyfish.
You like them?
He bigger than you, Savvy.
Sit up there. Just look at it. They're looking at your turtle that you got at the house.
This is not like mommy's turtle at home.
Yeah. See it right there?
I was like, what is rolling up on me, Cyrus? You see the turtle?
Nice turtle, huh?
We had to stop by the gift shop first. The one car?
Yeah. This one card.
Yeah, but you gotta pick one. You can't have both.
And this one is the same as one of this one card.
Yeah. Everything in here is pricey. This is cool. You got a snake?
Yeah, that's a snake.
A snake?
Yeah, that's a snake.
You want it?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Give it to mommy.
Okay.
You want something, Savvy? Savion. Savion. Look, they got snakes. They got lions. Mind your way.
Oh, you're fine.
You want a bubble machine? Turn it around. Let mommy see. You want bubbles?
Yeah, they just want bubbles.
Okay, mommy can get you a bubble machine. That's fine.
Okay.
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 Can I have it?
Yes.
All right. Okay, Savvy, put it down. Mommy got you one. Put it down. Okay, so it's getting late. It's like 3:22. It's getting late. We pretty much seen everything, but we got like a year pass, so we'll come back and see more. But it's getting late, so we tired, we hungry. You have fun?
Yeah, let's go to the train,
Yeah, you
Mommy.
have fun? You
No.
want to go on a train? Mommy got paid for the train.
Okay.
You have fun, Sammy?
You have fun?
Yeah, let's go to the train.
Savvy mad. Savvy like, I'm not having it, bruh. Savvy mad. But yeah, that was pretty much for the day. Spent time with Cyrus for his birthday at the zoo, and now we about to go home and chill. But yeah.
5 minutes in the car ride.
And now we got a whole hour car ride to go home. Okay, so we're back home. Before I completely end the video, I wanted to get cake for him and say happy birthday before I close it out. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so we're at the store. I brought Cyrus with me so he can pick out his cake, right?
Yeah, we got a birthday and we're gonna take it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the cards and like the cards mine a little missing.
Okay, so we're at Lowe's. And here's all the cake options.
Yeah, this one birthday. So I got the birthday.
But let's see what else they have too.
Yeah, I have.
Look, they got happy birthday cookies.
Yeah, then I want ice cream.
No, don't pick up stuff.
This,
Look, they got cookies.
yeah.
You want cookie or cake?
On this one.
No, you want cookies or you want cake?
No, one.
You don't want cookie? Okay.
And this one.
Okay, so they got ice cream cake. I don't know if I want ice cream cake because we would have to put that in the freezer.
Yeah.
So I don't know. We might get the happy birthday cookie and call it a day. I'm not gonna lie. We decided to get cupcakes.
Yeah, I got cupcakes.
Cyrus got treated with icing today from a lady and 2 balloons. I just got them cupcakes and candles so they can just blow it out themselves. And that's it. Okay, so we're home.
Right, Cyrus? Yeah, it's stuck, Mommy. It's stuck.
No, we're gonna take those outside another day. Look, mommy got you cupcakes.
Oh, no.
Yeah. You gonna blow the candle out?
Yeah, you candle out.
And I got him a candle. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cyrus. Happy birthday to you.